Hey everyone, welcome back to 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through a simple and easy step on how to get OpenAI API key. So keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your web browser and in the search box type in www.openai.com and search. From the official main homepage, you can download the OpenAI application on your mobile device and launch it open, or if you want to use the web browser, go and tap the menu button at the top right and tap on login to log into your existing account. If you don't have an OpenAI account, you can tap on the sign up button and follow through the sign up process. Now once you are done, select the API option at the bottom of this page, and from the main homepage, tap on the menu bar at the top right hand corner. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom in this expanded menu and tap on View API Keys. Your API key is a unique identifier that is used to authenticate requests associated with your project for using the API. If you've already generated your secret key, you'll be able to see it right here on this page. If you've not generated your OpenAI API key, then you can tap on this Create New Secret Key button. Now, give it a name for your secret key and tap on Create Secret Key button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create a new secret key. Simply tap on the copy button right next to the key and paste in the secret key somewhere safe and accessible. Remember that you should not share your secret key with anyone so that you can prevent abuse or malicious use of your API. After you are done creating, tap on Done and you'll be able to see your secret key in the list. That is how you can easily get your OpenAI API key. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.